As of now, we understood the structure of a nucleotide. We have a pentose sugar, then we have a nitrogenous base, which could be adenine, cytosine, guanine, or thymine, and then we have a phosphate group. Okay, so this is the single strand of a DNA molecule. As we know that DNA is a double-stranded structure. So in front of this strand, we have a same strand which is anti-parallel to the first strand. Then we have a phosphate group attached to the 5' end of the pentose sugar. Then at 3 carbon, we have a hydroxyl group. So this is the numbering: carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. At carbon number 1, we have a nitrogenous base, which could be adenine, cytosine, guanine, or thymine. Then at carbon number 3, we have a hydroxyl group at the end of the DNA strand. Same goes with another strand. At carbon number 3, we have a hydroxyl group. Carbon number 1, we have a nitrogenous base, and carbon number 5, we have a phosphate group. So this is the phosphate. Okay. So now, as we know that adenine make a 2 hydrogen bond with the thymine. So it means that the nitrogenous base of one strand of a nucleotide makes a double bond with the thymine of another strand of the DNA molecule. Cytosine and guanine, both of them make 3 hydrogen bonds. Okay, so here we have 5 prime. At 5 prime carbon, we have a phosphate group, and at 3 end of the nucleotide, we have a hydroxyl group. So it goes from 5 prime to 3 prime. Then in the second strand, it also goes from 5 prime to 3 prime. Okay, so the two strands, okay, so both phosphate group and pentose sugar, they make the backbone of a DNA molecule. Okay, the two strands of DNA molecule join together with the help of a hydrogen bond. But the single strand of a DNA molecule, or the nucleotides in a single strand of a DNA molecule, join with the help of a phosphodiester bond. What is phosphodiester bond? This bond forms between the two nucleotides at carbon number 5. So that's why both of the DNA strands, they are anti-parallel to each other. 5 prime to 3 prime. Then we know that adenine makes 2 hydrogen bond with the thymine, and guanine makes 3 hydrogen bond with the cytosine. This is the structure of a pentose sugar. We have a nitrogenous base, which could be adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Then at carbon number 5, we have a phosphate group, and at carbon number 3, we have a hydroxyl group. So this is the structure of a nucleotide. Thank you.